The role of pretrial hearings in assault cases. Understanding the pretrial process is crucial for anyone facing assault charges in New York. Pretrial hearings are a significant part of the judicial process that can shape the entire course of a criminal case. These hearings offer an essential opportunity to evaluate the evidence, address legal issues, and negotiate potential settlements. Legal framework and importance. Pretrial hearings in New York assault cases are governed by the state's criminal procedure law, corporal, case law, and local court rules. These hearings are not mere formalities. They are critical stages in the legal process where substantial decisions are made that can alter the outcome of a case. During these hearings, both the defense and prosecution present motions that the court must decide on. The defense might challenge the admissibility of evidence or argue for the dismissal of charges due to procedural errors or violations of the defendant's rights. The court's rulings on these motions can determine whether certain evidence will be allowed at trial or if the case will even proceed to trial. Additionally, pretrial hearings often involve discussions about possible plea bargains. This is a strategic moment where a knowledgeable attorney can negotiate with the prosecution to reduce charges or secure a lighter sentence, potentially avoiding the uncertainties of a full trial. For anyone facing assault charges, the importance of having an experienced lawyer during these hearings cannot be overstated. Key aspects of pretrial hearings: case evaluation and legal issues. Pretrial hearings serve as a venue for the court to assess the readiness of both parties for trial. This includes reviewing the evidence and addressing any legal issues that might affect the trial, such as the legality of evidence collection or the appropriateness of the charges. Opportunity for dismissal or plea bargains. One of the most significant opportunities in pretrial hearings is the potential for case dismissal or plea agreements. Defense lawyers can file motions to dismiss charges based on lack of evidence or procedural errors. If successful, these motions can lead to the reduction or outright dismissal of charges, sparing the defendant from the ordeal of a trial. Impact on legal strategy. The decisions made during pretrial hearings profoundly influence the trial's trajectory. Successful motions can limit the prosecution's evidence, thereby increasing the chances of a favorable verdict for the defense. These hearings also set the tone for how the trial will proceed, from legal arguments to witness preparation. Understanding the process of pretrial hearings in an assault case in New York. A pretrial hearing occurs before the actual trial and involves several critical steps. The process typically begins with the filing of motions by the defense, which the court then reviews to decide which hearings are necessary. These hearings address issues such as the admissibility of evidence and compliance with discovery obligations. The legal framework governing pretrial hearings includes various motions that defense attorneys can use to challenge the prosecution's case. For example, a motion to suppress evidence seeks to exclude evidence obtained in violation of the defendant's constitutional rights. If successful, this motion can weaken the prosecution's case, potentially leading to reduced charges or dismissal. Another critical motion is the motion for dismissal of charges, which argues that the prosecution lacks sufficient evidence to prove the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Pretrial hearings also provide an opportunity for the defense to file a motion for a change of venue if they believe that pretrial publicity has biased the potential jury pool. This motion seeks to move the trial to a different location within the state to ensure a fair trial. Working with a skilled attorney. Navigating the complexities of pretrial hearings requires the experience of a skilled attorney. At Lebedin Kofman LLP, our experienced New York assault attorneys understand the intricacies of the criminal justice system and are committed to providing robust defense strategies tailored to your case. Engaging a knowledgeable lawyer early in the pretrial stage can significantly impact the outcome of your case, potentially leading to reduced charges or dismissal. If you are facing assault charges, do not underestimate the importance of skilled legal representation during pretrial hearings. Contact Lebedin Kofman LLP today at 646-663-4430 or visit us at 26 Broadway, 3rd floor, New York, New York, 10004, to learn how we can support you through every step of the legal process. Let us help you protect your rights and work toward the most favorable outcome in your case.